November 1999. Me and two of my friends were watching the Leonid meteor shower from the bottom of my garden in England. Every now and then we would spot out satellites moving across the sky. My friend spotted what he thought was a satellite moving from the south. Seconds later I noticed another one moving from the north, heading directly toward it. We watched for a few seconds, all convinced that they were going to hit each other. Then something amazing happened that we will all remember for the rest of our lives. The first object fired some kind of missile at the second object, and the second object turned around about 120 degrees and accelerated at around 2.5 times its original speed to escape the attack. The first object didn't change speed and carried on its original course until it faded into the darkness, just as a satellite would. I've researched the time and date that this happened and found no other reports of the same incident. Could this have been some kind of secret technology from Earth being tested in space? Or could there really be some kind of UFO war happening? Let's look at some similar events that have happened. Firstly, we'll go right back to April the 14th, 1561. At sunrise, the citizens of Nuremberg, Germany, awoke to what was described in a local news flyer as a very frightful spectacle. Various strange objects were spotted in the sky, engaged in what appeared to be an aerial battle. Witnesses described cigar-shaped objects, circles in the air, and flying crosses. The battle was so evident that the people of Nuremberg, Germany, were able to tell which side was winning. Some of the objects were said to have crashed into the ground and disappeared in a cloud of smoke or steam, while other objects flew off in the direction of the sun. The broadsheet documenting this still exists today in Zurich, Switzerland. This paper was written with religious iconography in mind. It talked about flying crosses seen in the sky. What we may think as a fuselage with wings might have appeared as a cross to people who saw religious symbolism constantly in their life. More recently, this footage was taken by NASA in September 1991 by the Space Shuttle Discovery. Watch the object moving slowly right to left. 2 strange flashes and it makes an immediate 135-degree turn and accelerates. This is followed by a strange streak of light which narrowly misses the object. It's been examined by many, including Professor of Physics Jack Kasher, who studied it for over 2 years. And his analysis of the footage concludes that the UFO cannot be explained as a natural phenomenon. Last but not least, UFO Wars. UFO Wars is a DVD by Ed Grimsley featuring footage of objects, or UFOs, that he filmed shooting it out above Earth. Ed's had many UFO experiences. Through the years many called him crazy, but he has proved his claims to be true by taking out parties of people to view the UFO battles through night vision goggles. I believe what me and my friends saw that night was indeed the same thing as what Ed Grimsley has seen on numerous occasions. Whether or not they were alien crafts has yet to be answered.